Hey, welcome to HIDEit Mounts. So when you see us online, you probably think that we're a pretty big company. We're actually really small. Let me show you. Here is our itty bitty lobby that we even make use of for some content. Over here, we have our seasonal tree. So if you ever follow our HIDEit stories, you'll get to see this swapped around. And right now, it is decorated for National HIDEit Day. Over here, we've got sales and customer service. They are real people right here in Reno, Nevada, so please be nice to them. And this is our amazing marketing team. Everything that you see online, on social, that makes us look like a big company is all thanks to this team right here. Over here is our product development area, and let me just tell you, all of our mounts start out like this, as cardboard designs, so that we can test fit and make sure we get the design just right before we even go to an actual steel prototype. This is our desk setup that we created actually just for launching our keyboard mount. This is the conference table that we have every team meeting at, and yes, we are a small enough company that we can all fit around this table. And here it is, the infamous gamer wall. This is actually our third gamer wall and where we film a lot of content, especially all of that ASMR content you guys love. This is my office, so whenever anyone meets with me, gets to sit in these amazing pink chairs with fluffy pillows. This is no ordinary hallway. This is actually our patent wall. These are just some of the patents on our original designs. And of course, the very first HIDEit mount. Can't miss that guy. All right, now to the warehouse. When you get out here, the first thing you see is the man cave. We created this space to help showcase our sports mounts. This is our shipping area where we do our best to ship out orders to you within one business day. And did I mention that we like baseball? We do. We've got a batting cage. I know, totally normal, right? Hey, but if you're gonna work hard, you gotta play hard too. Thanks for coming along to see our small business. Visit our website for all of our products at hideitmounts.com.